Okay, guys, so this is the beginning of our trip. So we're waiting here at the lounge for our departure to Miami. Okay, guys, so this is our aeroplane. This is a Boeing 737. This will be the plane that will be taken to start our journey first to Miami, and then we take up the cruise from Miami. There's another plane over there. That's going to Canada. So we're on the ship now, and we're heading toward our room. And this is our room 8750.
Lights off. Yeah. The great thing is the cashier can see you.
This is our room. So I will give you a little tour. Well, as you can see, that is the balcony out there. But as you enter, this here is the bathroom. So this is your bathroom here. You have the sink. You have the toilet there. And here is the shower. Okay. So this is our shower here. Right. And at the side here it has some glasses, and you have your hand soap and everything here. So this is your bathroom. If you this door actually goes into another cabin, but that's if you paid for it. So you would have had two. So this is the bed here. This is the bed. It has a side table there and another little side table there. Okay, and over here, this is the closet area. So It has some shelves here. It has a safe. And then it has another side here to open up. And this is where you can put your dresses and shirts. Then on top here, it has this shelf as well. So that's the closet. I see a USB port here, so it's one USB port. I think the other light has a USB port as well, so you can charge your stuff. Then you have a couch, and you have the TV here. It has telephone. Does it have a fridge? What are these things here? This is a cupboard. It's another cupboard. Oh no, that's the fridge. It has a fridge, and the fridge is stocked with some wine and alcohol, some soft drinks, and some water. At the side here, I'm seeing a blow dryer. So you have your blow dryer there. So I guess this is where you would do you can do your makeup and stuff here. Then over here, it has coffee. You can make your coffee and your tea. Again, there's another bottle of water there as well. And then this is now the outside. This is the balcony area. Is it locked or unlocked? Okay. It has two chairs out here for the balcony. And this is way outside. Well, of course, we haven't left the port as yet, so I don't have a view to show you. But it's like you can play some games down there. But that's basically it. That's the tour of the room here.